Do I keep it pressed?
No. No.
Oh. Can we stop?
You can let it go for a minute or so. See what... Huh? Yeah, Sam.
Ocean City, January 30th, 2010.
Good beach day.
Yeah, let's go to the beach. Hello, Sunset Island. We can walk to the beach. It's not bad weather.
Yeah, we don't need to ride up. We can walk up today.
Yeah. We'll get a spot on the beach today.
I would say any spot you want.
Yep.
I mean, it's white out in Sunset.
You don't think we should send the kids up to put the blanket down?
White out in Sunset Island.
Yep. Sunset Island in the winter. Finally had winter in Ocean City, and I hear you guys have none. Beautiful, beautiful snow. We're getting way, way more than 3 inches.
Forest Green.